Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching a 3-star hotel.
In this video, we provide a detailed explanation of everything you need to know about this resort, like amenities, room category, location, landmark, facilities, and reviews also.
As you can see on the screen, the hotel location
Kind attractions and landmarks are also provided here.
its review rating is 8.8, which is the excellent category 1.
You can see on the screen more details like size, bed type, highlight, facilities, amenities, and if you shop.
Category 2. Category 3. Category 4.
Category 5.
Category 6.
Category 6. Category 8.
Category 9. Category 10.
Amenities of this hotel, as you can see on the screen. In this resort, 10 type of room is available on agoda.com. You can book online and enjoy it.
The location of the hotel is superb and guests really enjoy the beautiful surroundings. Check-in time in this hotel is 2 p.m. and check-out time of this property is 12 p.m. There are many deals and offers available online for this hotel along with different meal plans and payment policy.
If you are planning to book, you can use the link provided in the description. If you have any problem booking a room in this hotel, then you can drop a comment. We will help you. For booking or get more details about this property, please read description box. If you have stayed in this hotel, you can send your experiences via comments. If you are new to this channel, do not subscribe to our channel right now and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any video of our upcoming.
Thank you for watching the entire video. Dear friends, we'll meet again in a new video with a new hotel.